Greetings from Reliance Hospital, Kopar Khairani. I am Dr. Tanveer Abdul Majid. I am a surgical oncologist with special interest in thoracic, hepatopancreaticobiliary and gastrointestinal cancers. We all know that we are about 6 to 8 weeks into COVID-19, which has affected the whole of mankind, including countries abroad and in India. The number of cases are going on rising, but we should be happy to say that the mortality of this COVID-19 in India is not as severe as seen in other countries. My main concern is for cancer patients. Due to the fear of COVID-19, a lot of my cancer patients are not visiting hospital and getting their treatments done. First of all, I would like to tell you that by this time, the treatment of COVID-19 has been standardized all over the world. So also various national and international bodies, including American associations of surgeons, our own Indian Association of Surgical Oncologists, have devised and standardized the protocol for treatment of cancer patients. Most important, we at Reliance Hospital are treating all cancer patients. My patients should not be afraid. All of you should not be afraid. You are advised to visit at your nearest consulting medical or surgical oncologist for further treatment. At Reliance Hospital, we take a lot of precautions. We have a very well devised protocols for screening asymptomatic COVID-19 patients, and so also try to operate and give them treatment with utmost precautions so that during treatment or after treatment they and their relatives don't contract this COVID-19. I hope and I pray for the best and sincerely hope that you will take this advice and start visiting your doctors, the surgical oncologists and the medical oncologists. It is not COVID that is going to kill, it is the cancer, because if at all you delay treatment, the progression of cancer is not going to wait. We are operating all major and supra-major cases. Recently, we did a transthoracic esophagectomy, an 8-hour surgery in our Reliance Hospital. So I urge you, all my dear patients and my colleagues, to please take this advice and act accordingly. Thank you.